In this video, everybody, I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of Stick Warriors, in which you can get free unlimited gems and coins and a free store mod. And this modded version is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices. So this is going to be a pretty exclusive video for Android and iOS users, because in this video I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of Stick Warriors into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices, because they're compatible with both. And what this modded version has, by the way, is that gems and coins are the primary currency of Stick Warriors, and if you had the normal version of this game, you would definitely go to the store to purchase it and pay real money. However, in the modded version of this game, which is this one, when you go to the store, you notice that all these different packages of gems or coins are costing you $0, and they're like, the moment you click on a particular package, this particular amount being offered by that specific package is transferred to your personal gems and coins, although the bonuses are not always functioning properly, but the basic amount is transferred. For example, this package I'll be able to purchase 80,000, but not the 8,000 fully. And the moment I click on that package, that specific amount is transferred to my personal gold, and if I'm purchasing gems, it's going to be transferred to my gems. And this way I can go on to purchase as many gems and coins as I want without having to worry about running out of gems at any point in the game, or even coins at any point in the game. And since these two currencies are primary currency of this game, and I have them in infinite amounts, I can purchase anything else in this game for free too. Which means this is something pretty rare, amazing, and crazy, and this is only possible in Stick Warriors Plus Plus, the modded version of Stick Warriors. And this modded version is, like I just said, available and downloadable and compatible for both Android and iOS devices. And the best part about this video is that in this video I'll be showing you how to download it on either of your Android and iOS devices, although I'll be using an iPhone in this video to explain the processes and the steps, but those steps are executed in the exact same way on both your Android and iOS devices, so there is no difference. So whatever I'll be doing on my iPhone will be the exact same things I'll be doing on your Android devices. So don't worry about that either, and remember that there is still one difference between the Android and iOS steps, and that is Android users have to skip one step, and for that I'm here to guide you when and where to do so, so do not worry about that either. So let me just take you through these. Through this method. It's pretty safe, reliable, and simple and easy, and on top of that it's free, which is the best part, because this modded version will be available on the internet upon extensive research, and you may be able to find it after that, but most of the times it's not a safe source, and you end up downloading the game, but you download a lot of other things with the game into your devices, which pose a significant and a serious threat to your personal data, and can also corrupt your files and inject viruses and malicious content in your phone, which is something everybody would want to avoid. But in this video I'm taking you through a very reliable source. I'm taking you about a very reliable source through which you can download this game. And with proper knowledge, you can download this modded version under 2 minutes. And for that you need your phone and internet connection that is reasonably paced, and obviously this video to guide you how to do it. And since the method is pretty simple and quick, what I'd like you to do is watch this video till the end and follow the steps and instructions I'll be showing you in the little part of this video to sort of understand the entire process, and then when you have complete knowledge, you can definitely get this game downloaded in under 2 minutes. It's no big deal. And make sure to execute and sort of like implement each and every single step, because every step is as equally important as the other. You cannot afford missing any one of them, because if you miss any one of them, you may end up risking your I would say reliability of the method, which is something you don't want. So pretty much, I guess I've given you a lot of look around the game. I've purchased plenty of gold, I've purchased plenty of gems, I've purchased plenty of resources to show you that this is actually a working modded version and not something tricky. So this is Stick Warriors Plus Plus. I'll be closing it now, and then I'll be deleting it so that we can download this game again by the end of this video to make the process much more clear and easier for you guys to understand. So let me just grab it. There you go. Now firstly, locate your settings, and once you do that, step number 1 is go down to your general settings and go to your background app refresh and make sure it is on Wi-Fi and cellular data. This is step number 1, which is only for iOS devices. If you're using an Android device, skip to step number 2. Step number 1 is pretty simple, and the reason it is only for iOS devices is because there's no background app refresh in Android devices. So for Android users, just skip to step number 2. And step number 2 is go down to your browser settings, go to the privacy and security section of your browser settings, and make sure all cookies have been unblocked by turning off the option that says block all cookies. Otherwise, your downloading process will be affected. This is step number 2, which is for both Android and iOS devices. And once that is done as well, exit your browser settings and move back up to step number 3, and that is go back to your battery settings and make sure all your power saving mods have been turned off. So this is step number 3, which is for both Android and iOS devices again. Once that is done, close your settings and hit open the browser for which all cookies have been unblocked. And in my case, it is going to be the Safari. It can be any other browser such as Firefox, Chrome, or whatever. So once that is done, in the search engine bar, type in injected.app. Injected.app. Type this in carefully and correctly. Once you type that in, click search, and a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you this way, along with their respective statuses. And this list is pretty crazily extensive. And if you're lucky enough like me, you'll just find the game this way. There we go, Stickman Warriors Plus. It says free store mod. All items in store for free, unlimited coins and gems. So click on it and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button right here. And remember, there is no need for jailbreaking and rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is. And the only reason I fast forwarded the video over here is to make it short and save time, because it may take up to a while, which is all cool and simple, so don't worry about that. And once the loading finishes, let's move on to the last and final step of this entire process, after which the game will be downloaded, so it's no problem. And in that step, we have to sort of like install 2 apps from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now, out of all these instructions, I have to complete 2, and my first one is going to be Carbon Bank. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. But I'll run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be on the safe side, and recommend you guys do the same as well. However, since the video has been fast forwarded over here to make it short, you might not notice it. And by the way, these apps are downloaded from the official source, so they're safe to use. And once that is done, close your settings, close your app, and head back to the list to complete the second one, and that is going to be for me another reason one, which is going to be PointsBet Sportsbook. I have to install it and run it for 30 seconds. And again, I'll run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be on the safe side. And remember, once your contents have been downloaded, you may delete these extra apps to optimize your storage, and once you've completed both your instructions, simply close everything and return to your home page, and you'll notice that your game will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded, or wherever be these 2 simple steps underneath the home icon. And this way, you can get the game downloaded, Stickman Warriors Plus. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video. Until then, take care of, enjoy this game, and cheers.